Hello, I'm Matt Calloway and welcome to the 15th video in our Revit Tutorials for Beginner series. In this video we're going to take a look at creating a schedule. So again, we're just working on one of the sample Revit projects and we're going to create a door schedule. In the project browser, if you have a look, you should find a category for schedules/quantities. Right click it on there. In the context menu, you have the option at the top to create a new schedule/quantity. Selecting that will give you the new schedule window, and using the discipline list at the top you can filter the list of categories available for you to choose from. Now we're just going to create a door schedule, so I'm going to look for the category for doors in there. You can give your schedule a name. I'm just going to leave it with the default value and click the OK button. In the next window, the schedule properties window, we start off on the fields tab. Okay. Now on here we have a list of categories on the left hand side that we can add to our schedule, and on the right hand side we have a list of fields that have been added. So using the little green arrow button in the middle, we need to add the categories that we want in our schedule. So let's pick some sensible ones out. So I'm going to add cost and count. I might grab the family name. I might grab the height of the door. We'll have the level that the door's on. Maybe we'll grab the mark number of the door. We'll get the type name as well. And the width of the door. Now the order on the right hand side is the order that it'll appear within the schedule. So we'll rearrange some of the values here. So let's go with family, then type, using the up and down arrow button at the bottom. And then once we've got that, maybe we'll get the dimensions on there. So let's do width and height, followed by cost, mark, level and count. And I'm going to click OK at that, and Revit's going to generate us a very basic schedule. So we're going to want to customize this schedule. So again, in the properties window on the left hand side, under the category others, we have a load of edit buttons, and they all open up the same window. It's just the various tabs that it'll initially open up on. So you can at any point come back to this fields tab. On filter, we might only want to see the doors that are on level 1. So I'm going to add a rule on there that says the level equals 01 entry level. And that's going to filter the schedules just to that particular level. I'm going to go to the sorting and grouping tab, and maybe we want to organize first of all by the family name and then by the type name. And that's going to rearrange the schedule so it's now more organized. On that same window on the sorting and grouping, I can untick the itemize every instance at the bottom, and Revit's now going to group doors together based on their family and type, and the count column now will give us a total there. On the next tab, on the formatting, we have some settings here where we can customize the appearance of the various fields. The level column, well, we've filtered so it's only 01 entry level, so we don't really need to know that. So maybe I'm going to hide that column. So we've still got it in the schedule so that we can filter by it, but now it hides that. Also take note that where the mark numbers vary between the different doors that have been grouped together, it now displays the option or the text there that says varies. The last tab is appearance, and again, this will take effect once you add the schedule onto a sheet, but you can customize stuff such as the grid lines, the type of text that you use for the header, title and body. Thank you for watching.